Hi everybody, welcome to findachannel.net. This is my new website. It's a YouTube search engine, and in this video I'll show you how you can get some SEO ideas for your YouTube channel. So this is basically a directory site. You can search for channels here. As you see, we seem to have some chiseled guys. Bodybuilding is a big niche, obviously. So if you want some ideas for your channel, you just go to here, channel ideas generator. You'll need to put in your YouTube channel ID. This is a code that looks like this. If you don't know what yours is, then you can click on this. This is a video, so this will actually tell you how to find it. So this is mine. I think we'll do a search on a channel that I know doesn't have some amazing SEO. It's called, this is a gaming channel. So if you know a channel that's here in the search engine, you can just search for it and you can find the channel ID here easily. So we'll go back into the channel ideas generator. I just mentioned that you can do your own channel here, or you could do somebody else's, like a competitor. If you tick this box, it will actually go into find a channel and be listed on the site after a few days or weeks, whenever it decides to put it in. We have already got this one, so I won't put it in again. So you simply put in a channel ID and click show my suggestions. It may take up to a minute according to how big your channel is, how much content you got. Then we get some results down here. I'd like to expand this, but you can get some basic SEO tips here. Let's click on this. Yeah, this channel doesn't actually have a description, so this is a major thing to do with SEO. Obviously, this channel is big. He has millions of subscribers, but if you are a small channel, then adding a description to your channel is going to be really valuable. It will also identify if you don't have any keywords in your channel. You can also add those. Here's some latest, has got some latest videos here. As I say, this is a A-lister YouTuber, so he doesn't really have to do as much SEO that we have to do with our much smaller channels. You can also see some related channels. They don't seem to be too related to gaming. I'm still building up this site. We only have like less than 30,000 channels, but once we get to like a million or so, then the results should get a lot more relevant. Okay, this is the main thing interested in if you're into SEO and want some ideas. So you can see some topics that the site suggests Expert Heat Thief here could add to his channel. The red niches are kind of tougher niches. Orange aren't too bad. The grey ones it doesn't know quite so much about. So you see Expert Thief here is very into gaming. So if you had a gaming channel, then you could go into like gaming PCs, gaming chairs, headsets. I would mention that if you have a gaming channel, it's not always that easy to monetize, but if you start getting into describing gaming PCs or gaming chairs, other accessories, if you're an influencer, you can also get like freebies of these and recommend companies and things. Lots of YouTubers make very, very big money from promoting these kind of things. Grand Theft Auto, well, Expert Thief here is best known for this game. So there's a whole list of suggestions. There's a clone. I think there's like a Chinese version of Grand Theft Auto, which maybe he could cover. That would be a really popular video. And there's various different versions of the site. Anything else? I can also put in my niche laboratory channel. Let's see what we get for this. Okay, so I've actually put in description and keywords so it doesn't come up with any tips here. Here's our latest videos, related channels. This seems a bit broken, so I have to have a look at this, see why they're not too relevant. What keyword suggestions do we get? So obviously my channel is related to niches. This is a gold mine here. I recently made a tool. KDP is for Kindle publishing. So Kindle niche research, that is something I should definitely make videos about. I should also add that you could actually make blog posts about these keywords as well, although I think it's slightly easier to get ranked for YouTube keywords than it is for conventional keywords and blogging. What else could I do? Keyword rank trackers, that would be a good one. Maybe I could review them or something. Amazon keywords, people want a tool for Amazon keywords, so maybe I could build that. And as you can see, we're going into other things, software developers, anything, maybe some jobs. I'm trying to think. Blog Spy is my tool. I think it doesn't know quite so much about these. Long tail keywords, it doesn't seem to have found many suggestions for that, but obviously that's a really good keyword I could do more about. So that's about it. All you have to do is find your channel ID. As say, this video will tell you how to do that. It's not a video I made, but maybe I should make my own version of that. You just put the channel in there, and that's about all you can do. I should also mention that the channel ID you can find if you use a search. It also always starts with the UC in uppercase, so that's how to find it. So give this tool a go and see if you can grow your channel using keywords that are very valuable, and if you target some of these in your niche, then I'm sure your traffic will grow. Thanks for watching.